Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp messages on receiving HeyFlow form response. So here let's assume that I'm using HeyFlow to create a lead gen form. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new form response, then I want to send a WhatsApp message to that lead. So here to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be HeyFlow and in my action application will be WhatsApp. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I'm using WhatsApp Cloud API. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp messages on receiving HeyFlow form response. So here let's assume that you have created a lead form using HeyFlow. Now your objective is that whenever you're going to receive a new response, then you want to send a WhatsApp message to that lead. So now to do this, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So this here is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and now as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. And now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as send WhatsApp messages on receiving HeyFlow form response. And on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as HeyFlow, and now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to send WhatsApp messages on receiving HeyFlow form responses. So now here in Pabbly Connect, I will go to my trigger window, and here I'm going to search for HeyFlow as my trigger application, and here it is. Now the trigger event will be new response. So this trigger will start working whenever a new response will be created. Now moving to my action window, as I want to send a WhatsApp message. So here I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, and the action event will be to send template message. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is to send WhatsApp message on receiving HeyFlow form responses. So moving to my trigger window, firstly, I need to establish a connection between HeyFlow and Pabbly Connect. So here a webhook URL is given, and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully, because this webhook URL will act as a bridge to connect your HeyFlow account with Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to copy this webhook URL and I'm going to take you to my HeyFlow account. So over here, I have created this lead generation form. So I'm going to open it. So as per the instruction given, I will go to integrate, and here in integrate, I will go to hooks, and now I'm going to add a webhook. So over here, I'm going to remove this and paste the webhook URL which I've copied from Pabbly Connect, and now I'm going to click on add. So here I'm going to give the display name as new and the method is post, and this here is the webhook URL. I'm going to activate it, and now I'm going to click on save changes. So here you can see that the changes are saved. So now I'm going to take you to my lead generation form, and over here I have filled in the details. So here's the first name is demo, last name is user, here's the email address and the phone number, and I've accepted the terms and conditions. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that it is waiting for a webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So as I filled in the details in this form, so now I'm going to submit it. It is submitted. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that I have received a response. This here is the ID, here is the flow ID, here is the phone number, and here is the last name, first name, email address, and the created at date and time. So here in Pabbly Connect, the form response is successfully captured. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new response through HeyFlow, then automatically that response will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the details over here in Pabbly Connect, now I want to send a WhatsApp message. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I'm using WhatsApp Cloud API. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same or you can simply add a new connection. So to add a new connection, you need to mention the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So here are the instructions given, read it carefully. So now to get these details, you have to set up the WhatsApp Cloud API account and then you have to go to Meta for Developers. So now this here is the app dashboard. So I will go to WhatsApp and go to API setup. And over here, these are the details. Here is the temporary access token. Here is the phone number ID and here is the WhatsApp business account ID. So now I'm going to copy this temporary access token and I'm going to paste it over here in token. Moving to the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So again from Meta for Developers, I'm going to copy the phone number ID. Taking you back to Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. And now again for this WhatsApp business account, over here I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste the same in Pabbly Connect. So as over here I've mentioned the details, I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that a connection has been established successfully. So now moving to the template name, language code and the selected template ID. So here in WhatsApp Manager, these are the templates which I have created. So I'm going to use this template by the name of response HeyFlow. So this here is my template and over here you can see the content. So it goes as, hello, we have received your lead and our team will contact you very soon and tell you about all our products and offers. Thank you for connecting with us. Regards. So here after hello, this is a custom variable. That means after hello, I want to mention the name of the lead. So this will keep on changing accordingly as per the new response will be received. So here in message preview, you can see the sample name is demo user. So over here, that means now whenever I'm going to receive a new response, then automatically after this hello, the name will keep on changing as per the response received. So now taking you to Pabbly Connect, I'm going to search for my template name as response HeyFlow. Here it is. So it has automatically selected the language code and the template ID. So now moving to the recipient's mobile number. So here to mention it, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the response from HeyFlow, so here I'm going to map the mobile number. So now moving to the body field. Here I need to mention the variable. So this variable is for name. So here in this field, I'm going to map the name of the lead. So here as you can see that I have mapped all of the details. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, so that response can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now here I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive one. So the message status is also accepted. That means a WhatsApp message would have been sent to the lead. Now I'm going to show you the WhatsApp message and this here is the WhatsApp message. So here after hello, you can see the name of the lead and this here is the body content and it ends with regards. So that means a WhatsApp message has been successfully sent to the lead on HeyFlow form submission. So this automation is a successful one. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new response through HeyFlow, then a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.